Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've set a Thanksgiving Cornucopia Tablescape. I'm using both new and vintage china with lots of autumn accents and a color scheme of black topped with earth tones. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a black tablecloth. I got this on eBay. I love using black as a backdrop. It makes all the colors pop. And for my chargers, I'm using these with an ornate edge. They're gold. I got them from eBay. They're sort of my favorite chargers at the moment. I've been using them a lot. But I promise I'll change to some other ones later. And for the dinner plates, I have these black. They have a gold edge. I got these from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. And for the salad plates, I'm using these pretty vintage, they're probably dessert plates, but they've got various fruits on them. I thought the colors were perfect for a Thanksgiving harvest. They've got all the fruits, and with a cornucopia, I thought they would be perfect. They are Bavarian from Germany, and the pattern is called Deborah. These came from a thrift store, but I have saw them on eBay as well. I'm going to be using my gold flatware today. And for my stemware, I'm using these pretty amber glasses. I know I've told you before, but these I got from Walmart ages ago. And then I also have these amber, they are heavily rimmed in gold. These are from probably the 1970s. I got these at an estate sale, and I think they're perfect for fall and Thanksgiving, the colors. I used to didn't like amber glassware. Back in the 80s when I was a kid, everyone was collecting the pink and the green. And I avoided it, but for Thanksgiving and for autumn, I think it's perfect. And then I also have these unusual little wood turned glasses. I really don't know what you'd use them for, but I like to incorporate them into my Thanksgiving setting. I think they're kind of unique. And I'm also going to be using my individual pumpkin bowls. These have covered lids. Matching tureen that goes with them. I got these at Pier 1 Imports several years ago. And for the dinner napkins, I have these gold, and I'm just going to tuck them into the glass. I really didn't find the perfect napkin ring today, and so when I don't, they go in the glass or they get folded under the plate. But for today, we're just going to put them in the glass, and that adds another touch of gold to the color scheme. For my centerpiece today, I have one of my floral designs from Rose Tree Interiors. It's a beautiful autumn cornucopia, and I've made it in this wicker basket. And as you can see, it's full of dried grasses and leaves. I've also got berries, pumpkins, fruits, and I think it's so pretty. It sort of set the theme along with the salad plates. I thought I would play down the turkeys today and play up the fruits and the abundant harvest. And on each side, I've placed these pretty candelabras. They are an antique brass. These are not vintage. I had these at the store and I kept a pair for myself. I think they're so pretty. And I've put these votives. These are home interior votives. I remember them from being a kid. I think they're pretty. These are amber color. Now I have red ones and green ones, but I think they're so pretty for fall with the amber. And I've just used those today. And put those on each side. And I also have my pilgrims. I think these are so pretty. Here's the lady. She's got her basket of pumpkins and corn. And on this side, I've got the gentleman. I think these are so pretty. These are porcelain, and believe it or not, I got these at Big Lots, but it's been a long time ago. They don't have anything like that now. I wish they did. But I think they're so pretty. And at this end of the table, in keeping with my cornucopia theme, I've got a cornucopia teapot, and it's got pumpkins and autumn fruits. I think that's pretty. And I've used a pair of pumpkin salt and peppers. And also, I've strewn around the table these artichokes. They are sort of in the earth tone colors, and I thought they blended pretty, and they hold votive candles, and I've got those throughout the table. On the vintage plates, each one has a different fruit scene. This one's got apples on it, and then around the outer edge there are other fruits that go around. I have about 3 sets of these plates. This is the more earth tone, orangey tone, but I've also got some that are softer colors, and I'll use those in the future, but I got them all at thrift stores or antique shops. But I love fruit. It's such a pretty thing. It's never goes out of style. And actually, I think these are pretty enough to hang on the wall if I had some wall space left, but I don't. This is a pretty picture. It's sort of a modern take on booby glass, if you're familiar with that, but this is not old, but it's amber and it has the little boobies. I think it's so pretty. Mother found me that at a thrift store several years ago, but I think it's really unique. And it's perfect to use for iced tea. I think that's a perfect picture. Here's another scene. We've got, this one's got mostly grapes, and I think maybe some walnuts. I'm not sure what kind of nuts those are. But there again, they're all in the pretty earth tones. And I've used some of my amber cake stands. I've got one here underneath, and on top I've set a pumpkin pie plate. We gotta have a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. Let's see what's on this plate here. Oh, we've got cherries. They're pretty. I think those may be peaches. And I've also put this pair of cornucopia little candlesticks here. I think I picked those up at Goodwill a few years ago. And I've also put out my little pilgrim gravy boat in keeping with the pilgrims. And at this end of the table, I've got the matching tureen. I think it's so pretty. And I've set it on another amber cake stand. When it comes to cake stands, I have pretty much every color, but I like to use my amber glass for fall and for autumn. I think it's perfect. And like I said, I used to avoid it and focus on other colors, but now I embrace the amber and the earth tones, especially at fall. I just love the black underneath. It makes all the colors pop. I use my black tablecloth a lot. A lot of people forget about using black on their dining room table, but I think it's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye now.